So, good morning, ma'am. I am Rodeline Manding. I am a nurse student from Medical Colleges of Northern Philippines, and today I will be completing your appointment. So, I'll just be asking a few questions about why are you here and a little bit about your background. So, before anything else, may I know your name, age, and birth date, ma'am?
I'm Shane Bigarma, 19 years old, August 28, 2004.
So, I'm just doing this just to ensure that I am with the right patient. So, may I know what language do you prefer, ma'am? Para po mas magkaintindihan tayo.
Taglish po.
Okay po. So, wag po kayong mag-alala kasi lahat ng mga impormasyon na i-share nyo sa akin ay it will remain confidential unless any healthcare personnel would want to access information for your care. And also, kapag hindi po kayo komportable sa mga katanungan ko, ay sabihin nyo lang po sa akin.
Yes.
Sige po, for your first set of questions, this is for your health perception and health management pattern. So, my first question is, what is your opinion about your health po?
Before my hospitalization, I feel good about my health because I don't suffer from anything. But after my hospitalization, I don't feel I don't feel good about my health because I feel weak in the pain.
So, you're in pain. So, next question. How would you rate your health as on a scale of 1 to 10, wherein 10 is the highest and 1 is the lowest?
4 po.
Okay. So, what is healthy for you, mom?
Para sa akin po walang iniindang sakit.
Okay. So, do you have any history of chronic illness?
None po.
Do you take any immunizations?
Yes, like vaccine Pfizer to protect myself against COVID-19.
Okay, so any surgeries po?
Yes po.
What type po?
Surgical incision in the abdomen.
Okay. Do you have any illness?
None po, but I'm currently suffering from severe pain because of my surgery.
When did it begin po?
Last month po.
So, is the pain always there?
Yes po.
What makes the pain better?
When I'm taking pain reliever with paracetamol.
Okay, so what makes the pain worse?
When I'm moving a lot po.
Okay, can you rate me your pain, wherein 0 is the no pain and 10 is the worst pain imaginable?
9 po.
What does it feel like po?
It's like stubbling and squeezing.
Okay, so can you point me where it hurts the most?
Um,
Can you point me?
dito po sa middle kung saan ako na surgery.
Where? Can you stand up
Middle.
so that I can?
Dito po ay
Okay. So, what medication are you taking po?
um paracetamol.
How frequent do you use paracetamol?
Oh, 4 times a day in every 4 hours po.
Okay. So, do you smoke po?
No po.
How about drinking? Do you drink any alcohol?
No, no po.
Okay, that's all for your health perception and health management. So, next is your nutritional and metabolic pattern. So, for the first question is, what is your typical meal composed?
Meat po.
Can you describe me what are the foods that you like and you dislike?
Um, like salty foods and I don't like spicy.
So, have you had any recent weight gain or losses? And nadagdagan po ba yung timbang niyo or
I lose weight.
okay? What time do you usually eat your meals, ma'am?
9 a.m. po.
For your breakfast. How about your lunch?
2 to 3 p.m.
Your dinner po.
9 p.m. po.
Okay. So, how often do you drink water in a day?
More than 8 glasses in a day.
Do you eat junk foods or soft drinks?
Yes.
Do you have difficulty chewing or swallowing food?
None.
Do you experience nausea or vomiting? Do you experience nausea or vomiting?
None.
Any food supplement po? Like
None.
vitamins, minerals? Any food allergies?
Seafood.
Okay. That's all for your nutritional and metabolic pattern. Next is for your elimination pattern. Um, Gaano po kayo kadalas tumae sa isang araw?
3 times a day.
Okay, ano pong kulay ng tae nyo and consistency?
Yellow.
And ano po yung consistency niya? Hard
Soap.
po ba siya? So, okay.
Soap.
Do you have any discomfort with your bowel movements?
None.
Do you use laxatives?
No.
Okay na.
No po.
Gaano po kayo kadalas na umihi sa isang araw?
6 to 7 times.
Okay, and ano po yung kulay usually ng ihi nyo?
Yellow.
Yellow. Of urine po, do you urinate per day?
2 liters.
2 liters. So, do you not notice if your urine has any strong odor?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So, do you have any of the following problems of urinating? You have pain,
None.
blood in your urine,
None.
voiding frequently at night.
None.
Okay, no? Have you ever had any bladder surgery?
None.
Okay, so for your pattern of activity and exercise, my first question is, can you describe me what are the hobbies you have?
Playing volleyball and badminton.
So, do you exercise, ma'am?
Before hospitalization po, nakakapag-exercise ako araw-araw. Pero ngayon, hindi na po masyado.
Okay, so do you have any breathing problem?
No po.
Okay, none. Do you have any cough?
None.
Do you feel pale when you exercise?
None po.
Okay, for your cognitive perceptual pattern, my first question is, do you experience any difficulties or discomfort on your ear?
None.
Okay, so do you have any trouble with your vision?
None.
Do you find it hard to recall infos, recognize people or objects?
None.
Okay, so do you find decision making difficult or easy?
Difficult.
Okay, for your next set of questions, This is for your pattern of sleep and rest. So, can you describe me your usual sleeping time?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
So, are you satisfied with your sleep?
No,
Okay. How would you rate the quality of your sleep?
5.
Do you awaken feeling rested and ready to take on the day?
No,
Okay. Do you take any sleeping pills?
no.
Okay, none. None. So for your pattern of self-perception and self-concept, my first question is, so how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I'm jolly person.
What are the things frequently make you angry?
Having a menstruation.
Okay. In a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rank your level of control?
6.
Okay. For your relationship pattern po, my first question is, what is your marital status?
Single.
And do you live alone or with your family?
With my family.
Okay. What type of family do you have po?
Clear po.
Nuclear family.
Yes po.
So, what is your major responsibility in your family?
To finish my study po.
Okay. So, who is the main financial supporter in your family?
Dad and mom.
And how would you describe your social status?
I have so many friends.
Okay, that's good. For your raw sexuality reproductive pattern, my first question is, how old were you po when you began menstruating?
15 years old po.
And in what date did your last cycle begin?
Di ko na po alam. Last month po.
Okay, so any menstrual problem?
No po. None.
None? Okay, none. So, can you describe me your level of satisfaction for your sexual relationships in a scale of 1 to 10, wherein 10 is being very satisfying?
1 po.
Okay, so for your pattern of coping stress, may I know what stresses you po?
Studies po.
Okay, studies. And how do you cope with stress?
Unwind.
Okay, that's good. Anyone available to talk to you when you're having
Yes,
stress?
I have my mom.
Okay, that's good to hear. Do you use medication such as drug or alcohol to help relieve stress?
No.
Okay, no. So for your last set of question, this is for your patterns of values and beliefs. My first question is religious important in your family?
Yes.
What is your religion po?
Catholic po.
Okay, so does this help when you are faced with difficult situations?
Yes po.
So do you get what you want for life?
Sometimes.
Okay. So so we all done. We all done. So as I mentioned, all the answers or the information that you share with me will remain confidential unless a healthcare professional would want to access for your care. So before we end this, let me just restate all the information that you have given me. So you are Shane V. Garma.
Yes po.
and you are 19 years old, college
Yes.
student, consulting for severe pain because of your surgery. So it started a month ago, and so you experience weakness, and you mentioned that you take medication such as paracetamol 4 times a day every 4 hours just to relieve your pain. Is that
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So, okay, that's it for your interview. I will update you for further instructions and for further examinations. That's all. Thank you for answering all my questions. Okay, goodbye. Have a good day. Have a good day ahead.